In the previous lecture, we showed how we can create a sketch on the part faces. And when we were doing that, we had to select each face separately and create a new sketch on this face and this face. And we can increase this process by using Rapid Sketch. So if we choose here, under Sketch tab, here we have Rapid Sketch. Now for example, we can go to the line, and now we can hover our mouse on this part, and we can see if we go on this face becomes active, and we can create a sketch here. If we go to this face, then this face becomes active, and we can create a sketch here as well. This face, any face of this part. And now for example, we want to create a sketch on this face here. We can just simply draw a line here, like this, this, and this. Now we see that this face is active, and we can create a sketch here, like this. Now if we go with a mouse here, now this face is active. Let's create a sketch here, like this. And now let's click OK. And now we have 3 sketches on those 3 faces, and we were creating them much faster than in the previous lecture. Now let's exit Sketch. And now we can see here that we have Sketch 2, Sketch 3, and Sketch 4. They're not fully defined, we can see the minus here, but we can still use them to create a 3D model. For example, let's click on the Sketch 2, let's go to Features, Extruded Boss Base, and OK. Let's select Sketch 3, Extruded Boss Base, and OK. Now let's select Sketch 4, Extruded Boss Base, and OK. And now we can see how much faster we were able to create different sketches on different faces by using, under Sketch tab, Rapid Sketch tool.